Hello. Okay, there is
Mom,
the birthday
Mom,
girl
we are
today.
doing pencil. So,
Yes. Today we are doing
Mom,
hello.
I did
Hello, Aisha.
my,
Yes, Aisha. Hello, Sadhana ma'am.
sketches in my book.
You did? Okay, show me.
This is one.
Wow, superb.
And
Very nice.
Ma'am, how much B pencil do you need? 6B5.
It's beautiful, Aisha. I think you should take the class today. What say? Very nice.
Ma'am, I want to show something for you. Ma'am, how much B pencil do we need?
Very nice, Aisha. Yeah, and who's that?
Ma'am, I want to show something for Julia.
Yes, please.
Julia is not here.
Okay, so
Ma'am, do we need six B pencil or 8B?
yeah, whatever pencil you have, just bring them. Whatever you have, okay? I will teach you. Happy birthday.
Julia is not here, ma'am. We can see the recording.
She's not yet come. Okay. Oh, she's not going to join the class today?
She's just coming. I called her. She's just joining the class.
Okay, so we'll wait for her.
What has everybody been doing? Finish sketching.
Ma'am, do you like my drawing?
It is beautiful, Aisha. It's very nice. I loved each and every one of them.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh my goodness, who's Sam? Arna, who's this? Iron Man or Juvelia?
Sorry?
Who has come? Is it Iron Man or is it Juvelia?
Umaira, you can share the screen now. Okay.
That's sweet.
Thank you.
All right. Now
Thank you.
everybody.
Very nice.
Great. What are you?
Happy birthday, Juvelia. I'm sorry for the wrong spelling.
It's okay.
Remember,
It's very
Happy, I miss you so
wonderful.
much. You know that?
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a
Humaira,
great day
that is
today.
Yeah.
no. Aparna, wait a minute. That is Humaira's screen. We can see.
Yes.
Yes, Humaira, can you stop screen sharing now?
That's okay. I'm just showing it on my screen itself.
Thank you.
Look at it. I can't.
Thank
Okay.
you,
Aparna,
ma'am.
now you can do it.
Yeah, so I'm just showing it
No.
on my screen. You can see it on my screen.
Oh, that's
Yes.
cute. That's
Thank
very,
you,
very
ma'am.
cute.
That's little Juvelia there. So happy birthday. Are
Okay.
you going to sing a song for her?
Yeah.
Next.
You know what? But
That
before we
actually
sing
looks
a
like
song,
her. That actually looks like her.
Then we will start the show.
before we sing a song for Juveria, I've got something. Can I
Okay.
share a screen?
Yes, please.
Juveria, this is how they used to wish when it was your dada's time. You know, your dada dadi, when our dada dadis were young, this is the way they used to wish each other. I'll just show it to you.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। कोई लाता।
Okay, so this is the way.
Banana.
How did you like it, everybody? This is the way they used to be when it was, our Dada Dadis were young. Yeah, I can see Juveria,
Is it
Rushna, Aisha,
beautiful?
Nani all smiling. You need to ask your grandparents, your Dada Dadi, your Nana Nani. Did you ever listen to your song, Hum Bhi Agar Bacche Hote? Right? Just ask that, okay? Anyways, we wish in our own
And
style.
what is their birthday, but they are like adult.
Aisha, I'm sure your Dada Dadi has seen that. Okay, you can ask them. Yeah. Okay. So we all sing a birthday song for Juveria. 1, 2, 3. Unmute everybody. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Juveria.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday to you.
Okay.
from all
Don't know a
friends
lot about
and
cat
you,
because his sister is
from
really
all
into cat also.
teachers
So like,
and
we cat at
you.
home, Umar.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, Umar, is this a cat?
Darling
Is that right?
Juveria, happy birthday to
All
you.
right, so let's check.
Thank
Okay,
you.
it is a black
Thank you,
cat.
ma'am.
Ali was right.
Okay, now
Fun.
we can start the session, Aparna.
Yes, okay. So, today we are going to do pencil shading, and I'm just going to show you how to use your pencil with different pressure. Pressure means sometimes you use it very light, sometimes you want to make it dark, so you press it, right? So we are going to do that kind of pencil shading today, okay?
I know how to
Now,
use the pencil to make the picture look shady.
yeah, so just can you repeat? What did you say initially?
Means I know how to blend with the pencil.
That's very nice. I have seen your work just now and you're too good with it. So today we are going to do one animal. We are going to make a giraffe and the baby and the spots on the giraffe. Okay, that's where we are going to practice our pencil shading. Okay, so just all of you first look at my screen, then get started. Okay, today we are going to use only pencils. So if you had any HB pencil or any other number pencil,
3
great. So okay, great. So now let's get started, okay? So all of you unmute yourself and now just look at my screen. So we are going to do something like this. But can you see the spots of the giraffe here? That's where we are going to shade. We are going to practice the different shades, okay? So we are not going to have it like this. I will show you, but this is the picture that we are going to make today. Okay, so I'm going to keep my book vertical, okay, like this, straight, standing. And I'm going to start with the giraffe, the mama giraffe. So from this corner,
So big page we need.
just take it. Yeah, it's going to be a big drawing. It's going to occupy your entire page. Okay, so because we need space, right, to practice that
I have
pencil
this
shade.
much paper.
No problem, whatever size of paper you need. That's good, that's good. That's good.
Paper. I have printer page.
Okay.
And I have a A4 paper.
So now listen to me, all of you. Just unmute yourselves, mute yourself and listen. Any size of paper is fine. Okay. It's just that the drawing is going to cover the entire page, however big or small your page is, okay? So now I'm starting with the head of the giraffe. So here I'm just making this line here, okay? That's it. So just do it along with me now.
Ma'am, we have to keep our page vertical.
Yes.
So how are we going to draw on? Like, if we are keeping vertical.
Yeah, so see, this is my page. It's standing. Can you see
I'm
that?
getting dark. I can't see.
Hold on. Let me finish talking to Abdullah. Just a minute. So this is my standing page, right here. And this is where I start with my drawing. Can you see? I have just left so much space and I have started. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So it's a very, very simple drawing.
I'm like this.
Then we have to draw now.
Yes.
I'm like this.
Yeah, just a
Ma'am,
minute.
what did you draw?
Ma'am, can you do your camera straight? It is.
I'm not able to see. It is very light.
I will show you again, okay? Just hold on. Can you see
Ma'am,
now?
like this.
Hold on. Let me just adjust my page. Can you see my page now?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Humaira. Yes.
Like this. Ma'am,
Yes.
like this.
Yes,
Humaira
Humaira.
Qasim.
Yes. Can you hear me?
The page. I want to see.
Yes, Which page you want to see?
1 minute.
Okay, so now here till here from here we take a slight hump here. Can you see this? I'm making it dark for you all. A slight hump here and then a little bigger hump here.
Ma'am, I can't make it. I don't. Ma'am, I can't do the hard drawings. I'm not good at drawing.
No, don't say that. You are good at it. You just have to try, okay? And don't worry, even if the shape doesn't come out all that well, we are practicing pencil shading here. So it doesn't matter how your drawing is going to be, okay, Ibrahim? So,
Yeah, ma'am.
yeah.
I'm like this. That was
Very
I'm
good,
like
Umar.
this. I'm done.
That's
Ma'am, like
nice, Umar.
this.
Very nice. Yes, Humaira. Yes.
I'm like this. Ma'am, Humaira Qasim like this.
Yes, Humaira. Yes. Can you hear me, Humaira?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm like
Yes,
this.
Umar. That's good. That's good. Yes.
Can you
Yes,
see?
Aisha. Excellent. Yes. Okay. So now I go ahead and I make the face of the giraffe. Okay. So you're just going to go down slowly like this. Make a small hump here. Make a small hump here. And can you see this? Okay. Yes, Umar. Excellent.
I'm like this.
Yes, Umaira. Yes.
I'm
Umar,
like
that's
this.
good. Yes. Hello, Anas.
Ma'am, this is okay.
Very nice. Very nice, Anas. Very nice. Hamza, Hamdan, Yahya. Yes, Abdullah. That's good. Just try to make the face longer. Okay, let it go up till down. Can you see my face?
This much longer. Ma'am, like this. Can you see
Yes,
mine?
Ibrahim. Yes.
Ma'am, this much longer.
Yes. Aisha, good. Ibrahim, good. Umaira, good. Yes, Umar.
Ma'am, we can.
Okay, now I'll go ahead. Yes,
Yes,
Aisha
we
Kazi.
can go ahead.
I can't hear you, Aisha.
Yes.
Yeah, I can't see your page. Yes, it's good. It's good. Very nice. Very nice.
Go ahead.
Yes. So now once we draw this, and I am going like this. Can you see this curve?
Like this, na, ma'am.
Yeah, hold on. Huh? Just hold on. Just hold on. Let me complete this. Okay, once I take the curve up till here, you can see my page clearly, right? So then I come out like this. Again, a curve here. Did you see that? Curve here. And I take it out like this. Okay?
Ma'am, can you say that part again? I didn't understand.
Okay. So what I did, now suppose I'm showing it to you here again. This is the mouth. Okay? I went in like this. I took a curve, went in like this. Did you see that now?
Yes, I did
Okay.
that. After that, I did that.
Okay, great. So
Then
now we are going to go up and complete it.
ma'am, wait.
Yeah. So when I came out from here, I took a curve like this. I took a bend, a little bit of bend. And again, I came out like this. And then again, I'm going to go a little curvy inside. And this will be my face. Okay, so do it slowly. But don't worry, if the shape is not all that good, doesn't matter. We are just going to understand pencil shading.
I'm like this.
Very good. Uma, fantastic.
Ma'am,
Yes,
this.
yes, that's nice. Yes, Aisha. Aisha Kazi, I'm not able to hear you. Yes, Abdullah. Can I see?
Now can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you now. Just show me.
Yes. It looks like a giraffe head, some type of.
That's good. Very nice. Wow, Abdullah, very nice. Lovely. Okay, so all of you have done fantastic. Okay, so Juveria, do you want to show me? Anas?
Ma'am, see, is good.
That's lovely, Juveria. Very nice.
Anas, ma'am.
Yes, Anas, very good. All of you are super. Very nice. Okay, so we go ahead now.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes, Humaira, that's a very good work done. Great. All of you, superb. Let's go ahead now. So now I'm going to make the baby head. Okay. So now just see the, from there I'm going to start with the baby's head. Now the mother.
Can you were showing again? It is confusing.
What is confusing?
Next to the giraffe. Ma'am, the baby head will be smaller than the mother head, right?
Baby head is going to be smaller.
To the big
Aisha,
giraffe. The next to the big giraffe head, when you were showing me how to do that, can you rub that the second time you did? Can you erase
this
that?
thing? You want me to rub this? Okay.
That next to the giraffe's mouth. Yeah, that. Erase it.
Okay. So just hold on. I'll rub it off. I'll just show you the head. So don't concentrate here. Let's look here now. Okay. So now I'm going to start. See this hump is there. Can you, we have made this dent here, little bit of dent here. So I'm just going to mark my pencil here. This is where my giraffe head is going to come. Very lightly, okay? The pencil mark should be very light because we have to rub it off. Okay? Now this is where I want to start with my giraffe head. So now just see, this is my line, okay? And this is here, I am drawing this curve of the baby. This is the head of the baby. Can you see? And this is the ear. Okay. Now, this is going to be a curvy. You go down, bring the curve out, and just up till here. Okay.
Can you show the baby giraffe? Can you show the? Can you the camera a little bit that side? No more, little bit more. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. See.
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I erase the
Abdullah.
line?
Very nice, Abdullah. Go ahead.
Ma'am, can I erase the line?
Ma'am, like this.
Which line? Yeah, you can erase it later.
Ma'am, like this.
Just hold on. Yeah.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
can't see your camera.
Yeah, hold on. I'll just.
Yeah, now I can see now.
Yeah. So now just see where the head is ending. Okay. So this is the distance, almost this distance. This is where the head will end. Can you see that? Okay.
Is this correct?
Yeah, just a minute. It's very nice, lovely. Umar, very good.
Ma'am, is this correct?
Okay. Yes, Aisha. Yeah, just you'll have to do one thing. Just make it slightly darker because on screen.
Can you do? Can you
Sorry,
do
what's
your
that?
camera?
Is that good? Okay. Good enough?
Yes. Can you wait a minute?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, I'll wait for you to finish.
Ma'am, now can you see I made it a little darker?
Yes, perfect. Very good.
The other
Very
giraffe,
good.
the baby giraffe, what is that upright triangle? What is that? That
So if you
pointy
just
thing.
observe a giraffe, yeah, it has that kind of, something coming out. If you observe a giraffe, you will see it is there. Along with the ears, they even have this. Okay?
Little
This
horns.
what I have drawn is a small. Yeah, they are not horn exactly.
I'm like this.
Yes, Shumera, very good. Shall I go ahead? Now this I have shown is the ear. Here I'm going to show another ear of the baby. So it's just something like a leaf that I have done.
Like
Okay?
this.
And this mama giraffe. Okay. Now when I'm drawing now, just have a look at what I'm doing. All of you just see what I'm doing, then you complete it, and then I will see. Then I'll see everybody is together. Okay? Now the mama giraffe also has a ear this side, and I'm going to make it. It's going to be like a leaf. Okay. This is how it is.
Giraffe looks like a horse. Hana?
Oh, okay. Don't worry. Once we complete it, it will look like a giraffe. Okay, done. Now, I want to make the eye of the giraffe. So I'm just making a curve here. And a curve here.
Ma'am, like this here.
Yes, perfect. Excellent. Okay, did you see the eye? The curve like this. And then so this is the eye, okay?
Ma'am, the eye and the ear are looking same only. Same shape.
I
Ma'am,
know,
like
but
this. Ma'am, like this.
who is that? Yes,
Humaira Qasim.
yes, Humaira Qasim, yes. Perfect. So that is where the shading, once you start shading, you will see the difference. Yes, Abdullah, very nice. Very good. Okay, so now we make the face of the baby. Now the face of the baby is going to cut this giraffe face here. So we just take it like this. A little hump here. And then again a curve here. Okay?
It's a little confusing.
Sorry?
It's a little confusing.
It's confusing? Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll rub off the mama giraffe face. Okay? Hold on.
Ma'am, is it like this?
Yes, Aisha, just a minute, okay?
Ma'am, is it
Give me a
like this, Humaira Qasim?
Yeah, I'll be there. Give me a minute. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm rubbing off little bit of mama's head here. Can you see?
Yes.
So I can draw the baby giraffe head. Okay. So if you just have a look at it and copy it, it's good. Okay. Yes, Abdullah, that's lovely. Okay, all you can do is slightly, make the baby giraffe face slightly longer. And it's perfect. It's so good.
Ma'am, Aisha, Aga, is it like this?
And the baby giraffe's head is coming
Yes.
on the mother's.
Yes, yes, perfect, perfect. Perfect. Yes, Abdullah, very nice. Superb. Good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anas.
this is good.
Very nice. Yes.
Ma'am, it's not looking my nice.
It's good, ma'am. Anas,
It's very bad,
See,
ma'am.
Humaira Qasim no, it is good. It is good. So once you do the shading, you will see that it's going to look nice. Now just rub off that line of the mama's head there, where the baby head and the mama head are joining. Okay? Anas, it's good.
ma'am,
We are going to do shading also.
Yes.
For shading, we can use blending stump.
Blending stump. No, all that we will use later. Okay, so you have done already learned it somewhere, Aisha,
I use,
using the stump.
yes, I use it.
Okay. Yeah, that's very good. But then that is another next step that I will be teaching. Okay. So right now you just learn. Yes, Juveria. Lovely. Very nice. Aisha, good. Juveria, good. Everybody is doing very well. Mohammadi, Rushda, can I see your work too? Juveria, that's lovely. Very nice. Wow. Just the face, if you will make the face slightly longer, the baby face, okay? Mohammed, slightly longer baby face, okay? Slightly. Then it will look like a giraffe. Okay. So, now we just make the eye of the baby. It's just this curve that I've done. Can you see? Okay.
Ma'am, can you move?
Yeah. This is the eye.
See like this.
Yes, perfect. Very nice. Mera. Okay.
Ma'am, the little giraffe is like in
Okay.
the
So what you do is you that neck. Okay. From the head side, just rub it off and make it slightly thicker. Can you see my giraffe neck, baby giraffe neck is slightly thicker here. Okay. So if you just do that, then it's perfect. Make it slightly thicker. Okay. So now I'm going to start with drawing the spots on the giraffe. Okay. So the giraffe spots are, none of the spots are identical. Okay. So here you can go ahead and just make the spots. Okay. Can you see these two spots that I have made? Is it visible?
no, no,
I'll make it
no,
slightly dark. Yeah. So this is how my, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so just see the spots are different and any shape.
Ma'am, we also have to draw the prints.
Sorry?
We also have to draw the prints.
Yes, you have to draw those spots.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can draw
Yeah.
our own spots. It is okay.
Yes, absolutely, Abdullah. That's what I said. All of them are different and you can just go ahead and do however you want.
Ma'am, see this.
Yeah, that's good. Yes. Now the neck is better. Okay. Now here is the nostril of the giraffe. Okay, can you see this? This. Okay, I will just make it dark so that you can see this is the nostril.
And we also have to make it dark. Shade it dark.
Yes, you also have to do it. Yes, yes, please do it. And this is the lower jaw of the giraffe. And here also I'm going to make it dark. Okay, so here can you see I'm using so much pressure on the pencil and that's the reason I'm getting this dark shade. Okay.
Yes.
Great. Now what we are going to do is, now since our mama giraffe is complete, okay, we have already made the spots. I will show you how to do the shading.
Wait,
Now you're going to
wait a
do,
little. I'm drawing.
yeah, okay. Okay, I'll wait.
Ma'am, I made the mama giraffe complete.
Yes, Aisha. Yes, that's good. Very nice. The neck, still if you can make it slightly more thicker, it's great. Otherwise, it's okay. You can leave it as it is also. No problem.
I'm like this.
Very good, Abdullah. Very nice. Yes, Umar. Good. Very good. Okay. So now can I start? Aisha, everybody is done with it? Mohammed?
Wait.
Yeah, that's very nice, Juveria. Good. Can I go ahead?
Ma'am, like this. Spot.
Yes. Yes, Humaira. That's lovely.
Like this, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Humaira. Yes.
Ma'am, in the
It's
baby
good.
giraffe, small ear, the pointed ear, you drew a semicircle on that. Do we have to make it or erase it?
Yeah, we'll just do that, okay? So this is actually the other part of the head. You can see the mama's head here. So this is the baby's portion of this head, okay? So we make a ear, another ear for the giraffe, okay?
Yes. Ma'am, is it like this?
Yes, very nice. Good. Okay. So now I'm going to, now everybody will have to just have a look at the screen, okay? Stop your work and just look at the screen. So I'm going to start my pencil shading with this. Okay. So now see where I'm holding my pencil here. Can you see? I'm holding my pencil so far away from the tip. This is the tip and this is where I'm holding the pencil. Now, very lightly, very softly, very, very soft pressure, I'm going to use and shade this spot. Okay. So I'm hardly even touching the page. Okay. It's so soft. So if you see, the shade is so light. Because I'm holding my pencil far away from the
Ma'am,
tip.
you took HB pencil.
Yes, I have taken HB.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now, just please pay attention. Don't start doing your work. Have a look at my screen first. Okay. Listen to the explanation, then start doing. So, as I told you, I'm holding my pencil far away. All of you, please see here, away from the tip. The tip is here, and my pencil, I'm holding it here. So, because of this, the pressure on the tip is very less. Okay, so that's how I will get this very light shade. Okay, so what we are doing is we're just
Ma'am, like this. Ma'am, like this.
Yes, Umar, yes. Abdullah, that's perfect. So, Umar,
Ma'am,
I
I have
wanted
to
that
do-
pressure and okay, so listen to me, Umar. Pressure, hold on. The pressure I wanted slightly more less than what you have done, okay? So, can you, do you understand feather? Feather is so light. So that's how I want you all to touch your paper with the pencil and a very feather touch, and you have to do the shading. Aisha, can you just show it? Yes, that's lovely. Perfect.
Ma'am, like this.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So your touch of the pencil to the page is going to be feather touch. Yes, Ibrahim, can I see your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Juberia. Very nice.
Can we see mine?
Very nice. Ibrahim, superb.
Ma'am,
Good.
next one also this now.
No, hold on. That's what. Don't go ahead than me because I want to explain some things to you. Okay? So this particular spot, we did it feather touch. Okay?
Like
So I
this.
can hardly see the. Hold on.
Ma'am,
Here,
like this.
the pressure is so less. Hold on, Aisha. Just let me finish. The pressure of my pencil is like a feather touch. Okay? Yes, Aisha.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes, very nice. Good. Now, the next spot, okay, the spot here, I'm going to keep the same pencil length, okay, holding the pencil in the same way. This is how you shade, okay, this is how you will shade whenever you have to do pencil shading, this is how you do it. But here, I'm going to give a slightly heavy pressure to that feather touch. Can you see? Can you see this?
Ma'am, I can't able to do.
Why? What happened? Who's that?
Ma'am, we have to cover the entire thing with light.
Yeah, so now the next spot that we are doing, you can see the difference on my screen. The first one was very light, and this one, there is a slight more pressure to it. So can you see the shade that I'm getting?
Ma'am, like this.
Yes, perfect, Aisha Kazi. Yes, Humaira.
Ma'am, like this.
Humaira, good.
Ma'am, my impression is not
I
coming.
can't
It is
able to
full
do.
light
I
only.
like this.
It is full light only. I'm not getting like your impression.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done like this.
That's good, Juberia. That's good.
Ma'am,
Anas,
Anas.
that's good. Yes, it's good. Now the next one which you're going to do, you're going to apply a little, see, you can feel it, okay, yourself, that you are applying a little more pressure than what you did in the first. So when you do that, automatically you will see the difference in the shade. Yes, Umar, very good. Okay? Okay, Ibrahim, are you getting it? Ibrahim,
Yes, ma'am.
you're getting it? You understood what I said?
Yes, see mine, ma'am. I got like this impression.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
is
that's good.
correct.
That's good.
Ma'am, is my correct?
That is too dark. Aisha, I just wanted a slight pressure. So because we are going to keep putting pressure and get different shades. So here I have put slightly more pressure than the first one, and I have got this. If you can see the difference in
Ma'am,
the two, this is
slightly add pressure to get the shade.
yes, slight pressure than the first one.
I finished mine this. Slightly
Yes, there is a difference. Okay. Now the third one, Third one, the pressure is going to be slightly more than the second one. So maybe you will not understand in the first go. Yes, Mohammed, can I see it close? Very nice. That's lovely. Good.
Ma'am, can you
Yes,
see
Aisha.
my? Ma'am, can you see my this one?
Yes, Ibrahim. Yes, it's good. It's come out good. Slightly lighter would do. Really feather touch. Okay, so this shade which you have done on the first was actually good enough for the second.
Ma'am, this one is okay.
Yes, Anas. Okay, Ibrahim, but no problem. Please don't worry. Just go ahead. The next one you apply a little more pressure.
Ma'am, now can I do all of them?
Ma'am, we have to do this shade in every side.
Yes, so every block you take, you will apply a little more pressure to it and do it. So you will come to know your different shades. You will see the difference in the shade. Yes. Yes, Oman. Okay, so you will see the difference in the shade yourself when you keep applying pressure.
Ma'am, this. Ma'am, like this.
Yes, Humera. Yes. Okay, so same way, hold your pencil far away from the tip. Okay, so this, you're not, so when you apply pressure here,
Right? Ma'am,
yes, Aisha Kazi, right. Good. Okay, so can you see?
so we have to keep going darker and darker and darker.
Absolutely. Okay, so when you do this, you will understand the difference of the shades and you will also know what pressure to keep. So this is our first pencil shading. Later on when we do pencil shading, I will show you different techniques, okay?
Ma'am, we have to do all of them like that.
Yes, Aisha. So every block that you're doing, you will have to keep on applying more and more pressure, and the darkest one will be right down. Okay. So now this is my third one.
Third one, you can see the third one.
Yeah. And now I will go ahead and do the fourth one, which is again going to be darker than the third.
I'm like this.
Yes. Yes, Humera Qasim. That's good, Abdullah. Just see that all the blocks that you're doing slightly darker and darker and darker, okay? That's very good.
Ma'am, the third one.
So sometimes when you don't get a darker shade, what you can do is you can just overlap it, okay? See, what I've done is I made one layer like this. This is called hash. What we are doing is hashing. And this is the second layer on top. So I got a dark shade, okay?
Ma'am, like
So
this,
now-
Humaira Qasim.
Yes, Humaira. Yes. So now if you can see, these two shades are almost the same, right? This and this. So here I'm going to overlap. I'm going to give it another layer on top to make it darker. Can you see it's getting darker? That's how I'm going to do all my remaining spots. And another thing, so initially we used our pencil. We were holding the pencil far away from the tip. As you go on putting more and more pressure, you have to keep coming closer. Okay, so now I'm holding my pencil like this. So these are small tricks for pencil shading. Okay, so now you can see this one is darker than this.
I'm like this.
Yes, Humaira. Yes. So when you have a look at your drawing itself, you will see the difference. Okay, you will be able to make out from the lightest to the darkest.
Say mine.
Yeah, very nice, Umar. Very nice. Good. Abdullah, very good. Good work you've done. Very nice. Lovely. The same way, I want you all to make spots on the baby also. Now, since my pressure is becoming harder than the previous one, I'm holding my pencil closer to the tip.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Okay, rest of you. That's good.
Ma'am,
That's good, Aisha Kazi. Yes, Aisha. Aisha and Anas,
12:55.
Hamza, Rishda. Yeah. Can I see your work before we close the class for today? Yes, Mohammed. Very nice. Lovely. Juveria, very good. Very good, Umar.
Ma'am, look at my work. Still now.
That's lovely, Aisha. Very good, Anas. Good, Aisha, Anas, very good. Rishda, Hamza. I will show you. Don't worry.
And what we have to do in baby giraffe?
Rishda, that's the same thing. How we have done. See this baby here. Can you see? But again, here the spots are all of the same color. I want you all to do the same shading work that we did today. What we learned today, I want you to do that, okay? So if you
I can make in baby giraffe also.
yes, you can continue and complete your giraffe the same way that we did this. Okay, same way. But the remaining drawing that we will do it in the next class. Okay, so the spots you all can complete. Very nice. Humaira, very nice. Abdullah, great. Hamza, can I see your work?
Ma'am, just a second. Can you show me the picture again? How do I have to complete it? Complete doing it?
Yeah. Can you see that?
Yeah, ma'am, I took a screenshot of it. Now I'm just saving it. So I can watch later.
Okay. Yeah, but remember, here the spots are all of the same color. I don't want you to do that. I want you to do the shading. from light to the darkest shade, I want you to do with the pencil, okay? Remember that. What we learned today, we are going to do that for the baby also.
Okay. Ma'am, just a second. I will show you. I'm done. I'll just show
Ma'am,
you
the
PDF.
baby spot, ma'am, the baby spot you have to do at home, or you will teach in the class, next class.
If you want, you can do it. Otherwise, we will do it in the next class for
Ma'am,
sure. We have to
teach,
still
ma'am.
make the tree also.
Ma'am,
Okay,
the baby
ma'am.
one you teach, ma'am, next
Very-
class.
Ma'am, you will teach the baby
Very
one
nice.
why it's some
Okay.
very small things are there in.
Okay, I will do it next class. Great, all of you, fantastic. Lovely. Yes, Hamza, it's very nice. Very nice, Abdullah. Great.
Ma'am, so we can complete the baby spots at home.
If you want, you
giraffes.
can do it. Otherwise, we will do it in the next class. Okay, I will show you the details in the next class. Okay. So, Abdullah, can you call Shabana ma'am, please? So great, all of you have done fantastic. I'm really happy and I enjoyed painting. Juveria, have fun today. Have a great day.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and thank you so much for doing.
Most welcome. Shabana ma'am, we are done for the
Ma'am,
day.
in this picture, ma'am, in this picture, which you showed the completed one, that is, it is full dark. The spots are full dark.
That's what I said. So what we have learned today, I want you to do from the light to the dark. Okay, you are going to make it like this. From the lightest shade to the darkest shade, you are going to go stepwise. Okay, so that was just a sample that I showed you. So we end the class today, Shabana ma'am, and we continue with it next week.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Beautiful.
thank you everybody.
Bye. Bye. I'm waiting for the cake, Juveria.
Bye, ma'am.
Me too. Bye bye, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.